Hello, welcome all the students. Myself is Shubhangi Vaman Halkunde, Professor, Department of Computer Engineering, MIT's Institute of Engineering, Bhujbal Knowledge City, subject Humanity and Social Sciences. In this course, some different aspects are there related to the society and social values. We will see the outcomes of the subject. On completion of the course, student will be able to aware of the various issues concerning humans and society, aware of the responsibility towards the society, sensitized towards our broader issues regarding our social, cultural, economic and human aspects involved in social changes, able to understand the nature of individual and relationship between self and community, able to understand major ideas, values, beliefs, and experiences that have shaped human history and cultures. Some course contents are there. Unit number 1, Prepared Speech on Current Affairs. This topic, this particular unit will let us know regarding the current affairs and how you should give the speech. The purpose is to get students to stay abreast and invested in national current affairs. Method: each student has to read an editorial from any national paper, find out more information on the topic and present it to the class, ending the session with his or her opinion on the matter. Outcome: awareness of national state of affairs, improve on oratory skills, instill the thinking and contemplative skills, and form non-judgmental opinions about an issue. Second unit is understanding India's cultural diversity. Purpose is expose students to the intricacies of Indian culture across various states. Method is each student has to pick a state and come to the tutorial session prepared with PPT that will showcase the demographic, sociographic and cultural information of that state. Outcome: information about the beauty of Indian cultural diversity, enhance exploratory skills, communication skill and learn to present using technological tools. Third unit is regarding writing an article on social issue. Purpose is highlight various social and cultural evil malevolence existing in our country and express one's opinion on how it can be changed. Method is each student will have to write 200 word essay on any existing social malice that is prevalent in society on evaluation. The top 5 essays can be displayed on the college wall magazine and rewarded if deemed appropriate. The outcome: learn to raise one's voice against the wrongdoings in communities, build writing skills, improve language and gain knowledge about how to write an impactful essay. The next unit is regarding group discussion on communication topic. These topics make the students aware of the issues that are pertinent in a society and express or learn opinion about it. And the method is students in group 20 each will discuss a relevant and grave issue that is dogging the nation, alternately the topic from current affairs. Outcome: develop group communication skills, learn to speak up one's opinion in a forum, cultivate the habit of presenting solution driven arguments, making them contributors in any team. Quiz on social behavior is unit number 5. The argument: proper social etiquette among the students and make them responsible citizens. Method is conduct a quiz on traffic rules using audiovisual aids, using dumb carrots, where one student has to enact the traffic rule and the other have to guess the rule. Outcome: grasp the various traffic rules and driving etiquette, build verbal and non-verbal communication. The next unit is regarding screen a movie. The purpose, the students has to expose their introspective skill and try to develop a positive thinking in life. Method is screen a movie, documentary, a video, and at the end of the movie, students can be asked to express their opinion and write down what changes, improvements they play, and they can plan to take their choices thereafter. This can be followed a guest lecture by expert or workshop. Outcome is comprehend the areas of improvement within themselves, understand the importance of staying positive and develop affirmation. And the last unit is regarding debate on a topic from a social sciences. The student should educate about the various domains in social methods and sciences to develop an interest towards gaining knowledge about this topic. The method is various topics, various domains of social sciences can be chosen and students in pair can pick a topic and present their arguments for or against the topic. The group will have 10 minutes. Outcome, recognize the significance of social sciences in our lives. Cultivate the habit to present a forceful argument while respecting the opponent's perspective to enhance verbal skills. These are some important and major topics that we are going to study in humanity and social sciences. Thank you.